Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a very easy quick makeup looks that you can apply when you go to work, so you don't have too much time. You can meeting your friends, you can have a quick dinner and still have a glam on color, and very easy. And also it's mainly is for your eyeliner. I will have you show you how to draw a winged liner and then could bring up your eyes, and then also the lipstick to brighten up. But the main importantly, you don't have to spend too much time on it, so keep watching. I've applied a LaRoche's spring water for moisturizing, and I used DIOR Stream Skin and a makeup base. This makeup base, and you can see very glowing and glowing basically. So after I do it, put on the foundation. It's NARS Radiant Foundation. My color is Barcelona. So I'm gonna use a Makeup Forever foundation puff. Just gonna put on that. When you have in the morning, you don't have too much time. So this foundation puff is very good. And it's just quickly easy to blend in on your skin. That's how you puff up your skin and make your foundations marry to your skin, and it have a evenly look. So Posay. Put on your neck. So it's all about blending. So we spend a little bit more time on your skin and make it. And around the nose and all your blemishes if you want to conceal. And I used the SEPHORA Airbrush Concealer Brush 57. So mainly on the under eyes area to cover it up. So when you apply foundation and then the concealer, it's mainly you just apply the where you need, like the blemishes and the rednesses is the main part. You don't really necessary to cover your whole face. So I would tend to be use more radiance foundation, like today I'm using. So yeah, foundation done. And also the concealer under eyes will have a more lighter in your under eye area. Okay. The Bobbi Brown's LongWear Cream Shadow Stick. This Cashew can use as eye primer. So you see it? Just the eye primer. It's very quick, and also it's an eyeshadow as well. Can cover the eyes. Okay, and I used the Dahlia dual palettes. The one is the shimmering part, so I'm gonna put on the shimmery part on top of that. So it's just instantly let your eye glow, but you don't have to have all your contouring color, because eventually we will have a eyeliner. So that's all done. Apply with this beauty blender. This eyeliner is really good, lacy. I find that you can see it, the tip is like a round, and it's very easy to draw your line. It's a perfect line. So I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown LongWear gel eyeliner, and first I'm gonna tap on the where you need, and you test a bit of your back of your hand to make sure that draw a smooth line. Then you go into your eye. So from the middle of your, so lift it up. That will give your eye a healthy looks. So it's always lift it up your eyeliner. So you see this eyeliner is so good. So you always remember from the middle part of the eye, from not in the front, not too front. Like about the 1/3 of your eye, and start from that, we just wing it up, just like that. So it's more about your practicing. So if you're practicing more, so in the morning, and you don't need to rush it too much time for your eyeliner. Oh, that's about it. And oh yeah, this is the ANASTASIA's Beverly Hills Brow Wigs. I find that this is lately, I really like it. I find it's especially I use this soft brown and not hard, not dark at all, and it's very natural. So this is lately I find that I really enjoy it. I really think that's good. And I use the LANCOME Hypnose. And again, using the zigzag modes for the applying that. And low lash line as well. Same as the other eyes. The Shiseido, just a little brush. It's just right fit tapped on the air matte blush. So you can see it. You can use finger, but I just find in my nails, not really. So I'm just put it on there. And using the fingernails to tap it on. So you see in my face have an instantly blush and a very healthy look. Same as the other side. Just pat it on, tap it on. So just now finished the blush, and I want to add on a little bit color under the eyes. So I'm gonna put the under the black eyeliner under the eyes. So make the eyes a bit, elongate your eyes. So now after the blush and eyes, I'm gonna put on my powder. So I'm gonna use Dear Dahlia, the Skin Paradise Soft Velvet today. So these ones, it's a bit of, they come with the little bit puff, and also gives you a velvet look. I think this one. This is really good. Yeah. Let's add more, a little bit more. So let's give a this is very good. I really like it. The DIOR Backstage Contour Light, this contour color. So just a little bit on my size. I've got blushes in two color, so that it's come with the mediums color. powder contour like the other videos I made. And I'm gonna using the tips of the blush of the highlight. Highlighting mainly on the and the nose. And a little bit of the nose, the contouring color. I'm gonna use the Tilbury, the First Dance. This color is so pretty. Gonna use a lip liner. Last step. So, and that's it after this. So I'm gonna make my hair. So this is a very easy looks that you can apply, and I don't really call it so much time for that, but I hope you enjoy it, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also if you like to add some more comments about what you want to know about the skincare, I also have more of the makeup looks for the smoky eyes, and also the skincare, what skincare's routines I have. So please following up, and I'll see you next time.